Oh wait, how close do I want to be?
I mean,
oh, I'm not even. You're doing great.
名古屋中部空港行き17時5分発 ANA493 便はまもなく出発いたします。当便をご利用のお客様は搭乗口からご搭乗ください。
So it is Jello. It's basically Jello.
Really?
So yeah, it's like basically like a fruit cup. It's gelatinous fruit with juice. It's basically like drinking a fruit cup. So these are pure lemon gummies. I saw this. I was like, this looks safe. We're gonna eat this.
Did I get Pringles?
Okay. They're shaped like hearts. How cute. They're shaped like hearts. It's a gummy. Ooh, it's sour. But good. We're at the Miffy Bakery in Kyoto, somewhere outside of Kyoto, and I got a traditional dessert, which is a Japanese curry donut. I don't know, I didn't heat it up because I don't think it's supposed to be hot. So we're gonna give it a taste. It's really good. So the texture on the outside is like kind of crunchy and soft, like a oh wow, there's a little spice to it. Little sweet texture on the outside, sweet and crunchy, and then on the inside it's like this smooth, basically like soup in a donut. Oh, here you go. A little, so good. A little thrown off by it, but I'm hungry. I'm broke, and this is cheap and delicious. Bye. Octopus. Octopus. Alright, here we go. Alright. Okay, we all gotta go in this at the same time.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Wait,
Oh god. Okay.
you don't have to, it's okay.
1, 2. Oh wow, that's great.
Oh, I like her. That's amazing.
Good. The texture is a little strange. But it's good. Yeah.
Wow.
Quality. Hey everybody, it's Natalie D. Sorry for the really weird angle, but we went to just a supermarket. I don't think it had a name, but I got some lunch foods from there and we're about to give them a taste test. So I already kind of sniffed this tea juice, but it doesn't smell that, it smells like hot chocolate that's cold with a little bit of like something else in it, like vanilla. Hot chocolate with vanilla in it, but cold. So we're gonna give it a try. Oh no, oh that's not good. Yeah, no, not good. I thought orange would be a safe flavor, but it's not. No. Oh well, it was 68 cents, so I mean, you get what you pay for. Oh, all the food I bought, I'll put a little picture up. It only cost me 864 yen, which is about a little less than like around $7 US. So I don't know what these are. I don't know what anything is, so we're just trying everything. So I found this. We're gonna give it a go. I can see rice is in there, so. Good. Very good. Can't see it. Fried crab cake situation, and then I feel like this is some type of chicken, but we don't know. It's good. It's gonna be better if it was a little bit warmer, but whatever. Crab cake, totally. Alright, this thing, which is, I don't know what this is, so. It's like a fried dumpling with like beef sauce. I don't know, but it's delicious. It's like a crispy, a little sweet and sticky because of the sauce, but all around very, very, very delicious. Okay, I can't eat this. You know, I'm gonna continue this food journey. Alright. And one last thing. We have a tiny, tiny, tiny spoon. And then this is like, I think it's a grape jello fruit cup. So, oh, whoa. Okay. Yeah, it's basically just a white, I'm gonna try to get down to some of the cubes at the bottom, but yeah, basically just a white grapefruit cup. Very good. Tastes like grapes. I thought it was melon at first because of the color, but no. Delicious. So everyone knows that in Japan, vending machines are like all the rage, hella popular. And this is the Coffee Boss. Our teacher's husband was raving about this particular one, and I had to, of course, give it a try with a reusable straw because hashtag save the planet, save the turtles. I like it. It's like a sweet flavor, but it's only allegedly 35 calories. I don't know where that's at according to the information I was given. But it's very sweet. It tastes like my favorite drink that they sold at the gas station from Starbucks a long, long time ago. I will put a picture of it next to my head. I hope you can hear me because we are in Tokyo. It's a little noisy right now. But this is good.